Hello, hello! How are you today? Are you happy? I'm happy too, because it's sunny and warm. Why don't we go on a trip around the city? Sounds good, right? Let's go! Hello! Whoa! Look at all the places there are to visit. Why don't we go to the zoo? At the zoo, we can see so many different animals, like lions, elephants, or zebras. Whoa! Whoa! Who is that climbing the tree with the banana in its hand? Whoa! That's a monkey. Hi, little fella. After the zoo, we can go to the park. We can ride our bike, or we can fly a kite. Do you like riding your bike? I love riding mine. Whoa! I feel so hungry after all these activities. There is a cafe. I want to get some ice cream. Yummy. Okay, I'm back. By the way, we need to stop by the supermarket and get snacks for school tomorrow, before I forget. Also, this is my school, but we won't go there today. So, how was our little trip to the city? We visited the zoo, the park, the cafe, and the supermarket. And we saw our school. Yes! Whoa! Guys, Luna just sent me a message. She's lost and needs me to help her find a way to the Novakid school because she has a lesson. So, will you help me? Before you can help me, you need to learn directions first. Of course, there are 3 of them. So there is straight, left, and right. All right, let's go. Let's help Luna get to her lesson. Okay, Luna is standing next to her home. Where should she go first? Exactly. Luna needs to go straight to the zoo. Nice. Okay, Luna is at the zoo. Where does she go next? Yay! Luna turns left and reaches the park. Nice. And from the park, Luna goes right? No, we don't need to go back to the zoo. We need to go to the cafe. Does she go left or straight? Luna goes straight. We need to go straight. Here is the cafe. I can already see the school. We are close. Yes! One more stop and Luna will be at her class. What's the next step? You are right. It's right. Luna is at the supermarket. Hurry up. We don't want her to be late. What's the next step? She goes straight. Nice. Luna made it to her class on time and she is ready to learn English. Are you ready for your class in Novakid?